Class 3 for your English literature. We are still in chapter 6, Blue Wednesday, and today we'll learn the rest of the story. You had finished school at 14 and having done so well in your studies, it was decided to let you go on to the village high school. Now you are finishing that, and of course the orphan cannot be responsible any longer for your support. As it is, you have had 2 years more than most. Okay, now the matron is talking with Jusha about about the responsibility that she has done, and she is the only in her case that it is the first time in her case that the girl is been selected for the degree institution. Okay, and now the matron is saying that you finished school at 14 and having done well in your studies, and it was decided you to go on the village high school. Okay, now Jusha is in village high school, and now she is going to finish that, and the orphanage cannot be supported till that much. Okay, then orphanage cannot be responsibility for the Jusha's support. Okay, and Jusha have only 2 years or the most. Mrs. Lippitt overlooked the fact that Jusha had worked hard for her board during these 2 years, and the convenience of the orphanage had come first and her education second. Okay, now now the matron is looking for Jusha. Okay, because she had worked very hard for her board exam during these 2 years, and that convinced that orphanage had come to the first than her education second. As I say, the question of your future was brought up and your record was discussed thoroughly. Miss Lippitt continued. You have done well in school in certain branches, and it seems that your work in English has been brilliant. Miss Pritchett, who is on our visiting committee, is also on the school board and made a speech in your favor. She also read aloud an essay that you had written at least Blue Wednesday. Okay, now Mrs. Lippitt is continued, and she's brought up with the future of the Jusha, and you know that Jusha is very brilliant student. Okay, and she had done well in her classes in certain branches. Okay, in certain subjects, and she has been worked very hard, and she's brilliant in English, and she had written the essay on Blue Wednesday. Jusha looked quite guilty, and now Jusha is looking very guilty. Okay, she is feeling bad. It seems to me that you showed little gratitude in holding up the institution that has done so much for you. Have you not managed to be funny? I doubt if you will have been forgiven. But fortunately for you, the gentleman who has just left appears to have good sense of humor. On the strength of that paper, he has offered to send you to college. Okay, now Jusha is feeling very guilty for herself, and now Miss Lippitt is saying that you should have shown little gratitude. Okay, you should be feeling of being thankful. Okay, you should have shown thankful, and holding a radicals means comments that make something. Okay, about the institutions. And now the funny part is that she has been forgiven, and fortunately for Jusha, that the gentleman previous in our story we saw that he had some good sense of humor for Jusha, and on his strength of paper he offered Jusha to send her to a college. Okay, to college, Jursha's eye grew open. Now Jursha was at first she was feeling guilty, and now she was surprised to say that she is going to college. Miss Lipetin noticed. He discussed the terms with me. They are unusual. The gentleman believes that you have originality and he is planning to educate you to become a writer. Okay? And Miss Lipetin, she said yes, and he. Okay, the gentleman had discussed the terms with Miss Lipetin. Okay, and gentleman, the man believes that Jursha can do something, and he is planning her to educate so that Jursha can become a writer. A writer? Jursha's mind were puzzled. She could only repeat Miss Lipetin's word, okay? And she was puzzled that she will be a writer. This is his wish. He is giving you a very generous allowances. He had made the matter in details, okay? Now he wants Jursha to be a writer, and he has given load pocket money for Jursha, okay, and he has planned what will the terms and conditions for Jursha to be a writer, and for educating to her to be a writer. Okay, you are to remain here truly the summer, and Miss Pritchard has kindly offered to observe your outfit. Your board and tuition will be paid directly to the college, and you will receive an additional allow of $55 on month. Okay, now Jursha will stay here till summer, and Miss Pitchell had offered to observe Jursha's outfit. Okay, and her college fees and her tuition fees will be directly paid in college, and in that case Jursha will get the allowance, okay, pocket money of $55 a month. Okay, let's see what happened, and we will learn about what will happen to Jursha when she go. And I want you to write these words in your exercise copy, and I want you to read it by yourself and understand the story. Till then, take care.